The agricultural practice fields of our university have a total area of 40 acres, with several greenhouses and livestock buildings that have been or are being renovated in order to accommodate the new legal requirements for environment, such as minimal contamination but also animal welfare. In fact, intensive pig production is facing major challenges nowadays. First, limiting the environmental impact, and secondly, improving animal welfare. A few years ago, in order to find solutions to these problems, an experimental center was designed, the Pig Welfare Laboratory, driven by a group of professors and external companies through a partnership agreement. Since then, the Pig Welfare Laboratory has worked with three basic objectives. 1. No production of manure. 2. Environmental control and reduction of emissions of harmful gas. And 3. Improve animal welfare and check the environmental conditions. All of these must occur while maintaining a system of intensive production. These three objectives are interrelated. This new foundation includes different parts, such as an experimental housing with its own typical elements from a livestock house, different paths of access to them, and platforms for handling belts, which are used to recollect all the manure. The building has 2 floors, the upper one, where the animals live, and the lower one, where we can find the manure recollection belts and a ventilation system with air extractors. Concerning the methodology and results, several trials have been made to improve the system of division of feces and urine. The objective of this operation is to quickly obtain a small solid fraction of manure and a liquid fraction, urine with a very small quantity of dragged feces. In the Pig Welfare Laboratory, this implemented system of division works successfully. Bedding material such as straw has several aspects which are attractive for pigs, as well as social grouping is also very important for pig welfare. Both behavior and welfare are affected by environmental conditions, such as temperature, humidity, wind speed, and the presence of harmful gas, but also by the barnyard design, which includes soil, breeders, and fountains. There are investigations that study the influence of these factors, and so they allow designing the adequate soil of the building. Furthermore, animal rest preferences tell us how to draw conclusions about the most recommendable spatial geometry of the building. Results obtained show that the process of the Pig Welfare Laboratory does not affect the intensive production system. Thank you for your attention.